Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript control statements. So here, what are control statements? Control statements, it means it will control our set of statements in JavaScript. And that means what should be executed and when should be executed and what should be executed how many times. All these type of things can be controlled by using control statements. So let me quickly jump into another slide. Here in this video, we will talk about control statements and what are the different types of control statements we have. So first thing is conditional statements. Whenever you have some conditions to execute certain statements, then you will be using the conditional statements. For example, you have if else if, all this we have in the conditional statements. So these conditional statements helps us to control our block of statements which should be executed on what condition. All these can be handled by using conditional statements. So we'll talk more about individually conditional statements, looping statements, switching statements in the upcoming video. In this video, I'll give a brief about what are the different types of control statements. Next thing is looping statements. Whenever you want to execute the same logic number of times, that means you want to execute 10 times, 5 times, or dynamic value, all these can be handled by using looping statements. And coming to switching statements, it is similar to conditional statements, but it will have an independent cases, and whenever it matches to a specific case, then that particular case will be executed. And it has some other benefits also. You can execute 5 or 6 cases at a time, and also we have some set of keywords to control that particular switching statements. So that is about your control statements in JavaScript. We'll talk completely about conditional statements, looping statements as individual videos in the upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.